Imagine unfolding your phone not once, but twice, turning it from a sleek smartphone into a full-size tablet right in your hands. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung is about to change the entire smartphone game again with the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, a device that's redefining what the future of mobile technology looks like. But wait, this isn't just another foldable phone. It's something far more advanced, more powerful, and more futuristic than anything we've ever seen. So stay tuned till the end, because the surprise Samsung has packed inside this phone might just blow your mind. Let's dive into what makes the Galaxy Z Trifold the next big thing in tech. Starting with the design, Samsung has finally done what we've all dreamed of, a trifolding display that unfolds into a massive 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. The build feels premium, with an ultralight titanium frame and Gorilla Glass armor on the exterior panels. The hinge mechanism has been completely re-engineered for durability, promising over 500,000 folds without wear. When folded once, it becomes a mini tablet, and when folded twice, it fits right in your pocket. Truly the best of both worlds. Now let's talk display. This is where things get wild. The Z Trifold boasts a 10-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and peak brightness of 2600 nits. Samsung's FlexView technology ensures each fold section works independently, meaning you can use one screen for multitasking, one for gaming, and another for productivity. Imagine editing a video on one side while reading comments or scripts on the other. Total freedom. Powering this futuristic device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, built on a 3nm process, making it not only faster but far more efficient. Combined with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this thing is a multitasking monster. Whether you're gaming, editing, or using AI-based apps, the performance feels silky smooth. Speaking of AI, Samsung's new Galaxy AI 2.0 integration is next level. It can rewrite emails, enhance your photos automatically, and even translate live video calls in real time. The camera setup is equally mind-blowing. You get a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 12MP periscope lens with up to 10x optical zoom. But here's the twist. The camera can split between folds, allowing you to capture multi-angle shots simultaneously. The AI Scene Enhancer learns your style and adjusts lighting, tone, and depth automatically. Plus, the front-facing camera under the display is almost invisible, giving you a truly edge-to-edge experience. Battery life? Samsung has packed in a 6,000 mAh dual-cell battery with 65W wired and 45W wireless fast charging. The trifold design actually lets Samsung split the battery across panels for better heat control, so no more overheating issues even during intense tasks. Now, the most exciting part, the launch date. Rumors say Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Z Trifold at Galaxy Unpacked 2025, expected around August 2025, with a starting price near $1,999. It's expensive, yes, but for the first truly trifolding smartphone, it's the future in your pocket. And here's the surprise. Insiders claim Samsung might release a limited AI Titanium Edition that includes exclusive Galaxy AI features not found in any other phone. Only a few thousand units are expected worldwide, making it one of the rarest Samsung devices ever made. So, what do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold the future of smartphones, or just another flashy experiment? Let me know your thoughts below, and if you've watched this far, you're part of the few who know what's really coming. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Because trust me, what Samsung is planning next might make even this trifold look old school. Stay tuned, the future just got 3 times smarter.